Welcome back, fellow clackers. Let's talk Underwood 1939 Model Ace. Great, simple machine, lacking a few bells and whistles, but that's okay. The year was 1939. Companies were working hard to make things simple. You can see there's a few things crossed out because they're just not there. But still a great functioning machine that's all about moving forward. Typing on it today is Johnny Black, one of our local Riverside favorites. You can catch her busking downtown or at your favorite event here in Southern California. All about poetry and doing cool poetry on our famous writing machine, the typewriter. This Underwood's available in our showroom. Comes with a case as seen. Did I mention it's on one of our cool mats you can find on our eBay site, Typewriter Muse. In the meantime, check this out and others like it on our website, typewritermuse.com.